Today, I'm going to explain Unit 4, Around Town, and we will know some means of transport and how to ask about them. Let's start with the conversation. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Number 1, may I help you? May I help you? Yes, please. Yes, please. 1 ticket to Alex. Yes, please. 1 ticket to Alex. Number 2, single or return? Single or return? Single, please. Single, please. Number 3, what time does it leave? What time does it leave? 2:45, please hurry. 2:45, please hurry. Here, the new vocabulary about means of transport. Listen carefully. Number 1, bus. Bus. Number 2, underground. Underground. Number 3, aeroplane. Aeroplane. Number 4, train. Train. Number 5, car. Car. Number 6, taxi. Taxi. Number 7, ferry. Ferry. Number 8, bicycle. Bicycle. And now, let's go to our new structure and learn how to ask about the means of transport by using how in the present simple tense. The form how plus do or does plus subject plus infinitive. Subject like I, we, they, you, and the plural with do. He, she, it, and the singular with does. For example, number 1, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. We can notice that you in the question turns into I in the answer. Like we said before, how do you go to school? You in the question turns into I in the answer. I answered with I go to school by bus. Example number 2, how does Amal go to work? How does Amal go to work? Amal goes to work on foot. Amal goes to work on foot. Don't forget to add es to the verb go if the subject is singular, like Amal or she. Note, we use the preposition by before means of transportation, like by bus, by taxi, by car. And we use the preposition on with foot. Like we said before, Amal goes to work on foot. Now, let's practice and try to answer with me. Number 1, I go to school blank foot. On, by, from, in. Remember, we use the preposition on with foot. Okay? So, I go to school on foot. Number 2, blank. Does Tom go to Paris? The answer is by train. How can I ask about the means of transport? We said it before. We use what, how, who, where. Yes, we use how to ask about the means of transport. How does Tom go to Paris? By train. Number 3, how do you blank to work? Remember the form, how plus do plus subject plus infinitive. Yes. How do you? Where is the infinitive? Go or goes, going to go. Yes, number A, go. How do you go to work? Number 4, how does blank go to the zoo? He, I, you, we. Remember the subject with does. Yes, he, she, it, and the singular. Of course. He, how does he go to the zoo? But I, we, they, you with do. Number 5, how blank you go to school? You with do, does, or is. Yes, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? Number 6, the last one. We go to school blank foot. On, in, by, with. Remember the preposition with foot. On, yes, we go to school on foot. Thank you for listening and see you next time, inshallah.